Simple lives look quiet, but carry the heaviest weight.
We build cages, even when nothing is inside.
Control feels safe until it starts controlling.
I promise you, my friend, this niche is 100% monetized. Yes, absolutely. The videos you are watching on your screen right now, you already saw one at the start, and this one you are watching right now, this is also from the same niche. This is a fully monetized niche. Now I'm going to show you a channel. First of all, you need to check this Pins Gains channel. Go to their videos section and look carefully. You will see millions of views, 44 million, 34 million, 10 million, 9 million. Everywhere you will see millions of views. There is hardly any video that does not have millions. Yes, guys, almost every video has crossed millions of views, and all of this is happening by uploading only short videos. Yes, only short videos, and they are earning from it. Now, if we talk about what they show in their videos, it's very simple. They show how things are made. They show how something is properly created, what materials are used, and how much effort is required. All of this is shown clearly in their videos. Now let's talk about subscribers. This channel has reached around 260,000 subscribers with only 38 videos. Getting 260K subscribers sounds easy to say, but they achieved this with very few videos, which is very powerful. Now let's talk about earnings. According to Social Blade, this channel is earning somewhere between $14,000 to $220,000 per month. Yes, that's up to $220,000, which is extremely high. With millions of views, they are generating massive revenue. This is a very high-level earning model. So guys, you have now seen the earnings and the proof. This is a monetized niche. You can check it on any website. Every channel we bring is monetized, not demonetized. Now today we are going to use free AI tools. Make sure you do not skip this video. First of all, I have prepared an all-in-one ultimate master prompt. Inside this master prompt, there is character design, global video style, voiceover style, story, and scenes. Everything is included. In each scene, there are 3 things added: image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover. Make sure the character stays identical, strong cinematic feeling is maintained, and everything is properly structured. You will find the link to this master prompt in the description. Simply open it, copy it, then come to ChatGPT. After coming to ChatGPT, just paste it. As soon as you paste it, ChatGPT will generate a hyper-realistic style master output for you. In this, only the face of the character will be cartoon style, and the rest, the body, environment, everything, will be realistic. Everything will be ready in front of you. Voiceover, video prompts, scenes, all scenes will be generated for you. Next, we will first generate images using a free AI tool. So guys, without wasting time, let's move to the tool. Do not skip the video. The tool we are going to use for image generation is called Flow AI. Yes, this is a 100% free AI tool. You can generate unlimited images using Nano Banana 2 or Pro models. As soon as you open it, log in first. Then select Image Generation. Choose the 9:16 ratio and select the Nano Banana 2 model. After that, go to the channel and take screenshots of the character, just like I did. I'll show you. Then paste the prompt that we copied from ChatGPT and upload the screenshot as reference. After that, click on Generate. As soon as you click Generate, your first image will start generating. Within a few moments, your first image will be ready. Then we will preview it to see how it looks. If the first image is not generated correctly, simply go back to ChatGPT and refine your prompt. Tell it clearly that you only want the cartoon-style face character and nothing else. It will automatically improve the prompt and give you better results. Now, as you can see, the first image has started generating. In a few seconds, the result will appear. And here it is, and the first image is ready. It looks very beautiful, but slightly more realistic than needed. Now, what I will do next is copy the second scene. Go back to Flow AI, paste it, keep the same reference image for consistency, and click Generate again. Now, the second image generation has started. In the same way, I will copy scene 3, go back, paste it, and generate again. Like this, one by one, I will paste all image prompts and generate them. Now, as you can see, multiple images are generating one by one. Within a short time, all results will be ready, and here they are. The images are now ready. They look extremely professional, super amazing, powerful, and visually beautiful. According to me, the results are excellent. The character is consistent, and each scene is different, which is exactly what we want. Now the images are ready. Next, we move to video generation. Guys, next, we are going to generate videos. The tool link will be available in the description. The tool we are going to use today is called DIGEN AI. Yes, DIGEN AI. This is a 100% free AI tool. You can use it completely free, and not only that, it allows you to generate videos. And your credits actually increase over time. Right now, as you can see, I have around 130 to 140 credits in my account. So what did I do? I simply came to the website and logged in using a free Google account. After logging in, you don't need to do anything complicated. Just come to the models section. Here you will find a model called RM3 Turbo. This is the latest model available in DIGEN AI, and it is completely free. The best part is, it also includes voiceover, and it generates 5-second videos for free. Now what you have to do is very simple. Just select this model. After selecting it, click on the plus icon and upload your first image. Then go to ChatGPT, copy your video prompt and voiceover, and come back to DIGEN AI and paste it here. Now simply click on Generate. As soon as you click Generate, your first video will start generating. Now I upload the second image. After uploading, I go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt and voiceover, paste it here, and click Generate again. As you can see, both videos have started generating. The amazing thing about this tool is that you can generate 2 videos at the same time on the free model. Many tools only allow 1 video at a time, but DIGEN AI allows 2. And within about 2 minutes, both videos will be ready. That means this tool is very fast, all-in-one, and extremely powerful. It's 100% free, and it even includes voiceover. You will also notice that as you keep generating videos, your credits continue to increase. You can also explore and use other models available on the platform.
Lives look quiet.
Now after a short
but
wait,
carry the
the
heaviest
videos are
weight.
ready. As you can see, the videos
Simple
look very
life.
professional. In my opinion, they look very powerful and high quality. In the first video, you can see the character performing an action, and in the next video, it shows the process and idea development, for example, how something like a cage is created. Now what I do next is upload the third image, then I go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt and voiceover, paste it here, and click Generate. As soon as I click Generate, the next video starts processing. Now I upload the fourth image, go back to ChatGPT, copy the voiceover and prompt, paste it, and click Generate again. As you can see, the next 2 videos have also started generating. After about 2 minutes, they will be ready, and here you go. The next 2 videos are ready, and again, they look very professional. You can see how the character appears in different environments, and everything looks cinematic and consistent. Now you just need to repeat the same process. Upload the next images, copy the voiceover and video prompts from ChatGPT, paste them here and click Generate. For example, I repeat this process for scene 6. Upload image, paste prompt, and generate. Again, I upload another image, go to ChatGPT, copy the prompts, paste them, and generate. Now the next 2 videos are also generating. After a short time, they will be ready. And as you can see, the results are again very professional. The scene where the character is in a jungle holding a torch looks very cinematic. The next scene is also generated very professionally. Now all your videos are ready. Next step is very simple. Download all the videos. After that, move to editing. Editing is very important. For editing, you can use CapCut or any other free editing tool. Simply import all your videos into the editor. Place them on the timeline and arrange them properly. After that, add transitions between clips. Once transitions are added, click on Create Compound. After that, slightly zoom in the video. This will automatically remove the DIGEN AI watermark. Now your final video is ready. Simply export it in 4K quality. So guys, today we created a professional English video using a free AI tool. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.